got Alec Martinez in the back here. Get rid of that. We got Sam Bennett, Devin Tays, Logan Thompson. And we're getting some Steven Stamkos. Not bad. Look at that smile. Special edition Seth Jones. Pretty cool card. Matt Murray. What do we got here? Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey. This is a cool card. Haven't seen this one yet. Superstar Conner McDavid honor roll. Oh, yeah. This is a great tin. Nice Nathan McKinnon right there. Harbor, I can't pronounce that guy's name. Oh, we got Copley. And we got William Eklund. And Alec Martinez.